Oddly satisfying videos can help you fall asleep. What? The University of PECS suggests that this is due in part to the mirror neuron theory. This theory suggests that when you watch something being done by someone else, it's mirrored in your own mind as if you were doing it yourself. You get all the benefits of relaxation without even having to lift a finger. So if you're having trouble falling asleep, it's time to create yourself an oddly satisfying playlist. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.